Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Jerry's Place. Come on in and set a spell. Let's see what we got for you today. So today is day 2 of the $100 to $9,000 40-day crypto day trading challenge. Today we did Solana, ticker symbol SOL. And Solana is a little bit slower, which I think was good for us to take on today. So it took a little time for us to get to the profit that we were looking for. It didn't quite get to 14% because 14% is our daily goal. And what we do is we start with $100, and then we take our profits from that day's trade, leave them in the account, and we trade with the 100 plus the profits from the previous days. So say for instance, the first day, 14% of 100 is 114. So we take the 114 and reinvest it into the account. Then we get 14% again, and this time we're up to about $129. And then we take that 129 and reinvest it on the third day, and so on and so on and so on for 5 days, Monday through Friday, each week for 40 days. And so far, I didn't quite reach 14 today, so I got $125. But you got to think about that for a second. You take $100, and in 2 days, you have $125. That's a 25% return on investment. Please tell me where you can get that kind of return on investment in anything that's traditionally offered to you. You can't get that in the stock market unless you're really good at trading, day trading of the stocks or options. You can't get that in the precious metals. You can't get that in gems. Nothing that's offered to you is going to give you that kind of return on what you're making. So just the power of not only doing the crypto day trading with my mentor, Crypto Cliff, the Legacy Alchemist, and also just going ahead and using those trades in order to increase what our next steps are. And I apologize, I just lost my thought there. But basically just the return on investment. There's nothing else that can return the investment that high in that short period of time that you can actually do. And because we're with a person who has experience and is willing to share the knowledge and take the time for us by teaching us how to do it, it makes a big difference. It makes a huge difference. And we're doing it as a group. There's about 60 of us, I believe it is, that are all doing it together as a group. So we're actually doing cooperative economics, which is awesome. And everybody's learning, everybody's happy, everybody's feeling good because they're actually learning something that can help them to earn income in their future. So far, we haven't gotten into a lot of chart analysis details, but we've had quite a few where we've gone into what the support are. And I think I told you this before, support and resistance, some of the patterns that we see. And he gave us information on each type of pattern: bull flags, bear flags, the W and the head and the shoulders, what those patterns look like and how we treat each one of those patterns, what we look for as far as the entries and the exits on each of those patterns. So it's actually pretty extensive. And like I said, we're just getting started. I mean, this is day 2. And tomorrow is day 3. So it's getting really exciting to be able to see something actively occur instead of just talking about it. And you're actively trading every day. And right now we're only trading one single crypto. We're not trading more than one crypto. So we're doing pretty well. And I really appreciate his help. And I really appreciate having the team and the coaches really just there for us in order to help us to grow. So that is my report for today. So I will see you tomorrow and let you know how it goes tomorrow. Take care.